Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about one important AI tool. In our day-to-day life, we use the Microsoft Excel to analyze the data or document in any kind of data in it. To optimize the using Excel sheet, so just we can use this AI tool. So let's get into it. Go to Google and search for formula doc. So this is the AI tool which I'm talking about, formula doc. Just open it and we have to log in into it. Just click on login. I have already logged into this portal, so just it is directly logged into the portal. So here we can use like two ways we can use. So while after giving the description in English, it automatically generates the formula. We can use it in our Excel sheet. For example, let me give you a prompt. I have already created one prompt, so let me reuse that one. So this is the prompt and I'm copying into it, then post it into the portal. The prompt is like there are 10 scores of 10 different subjects written in cells A1 to A10. So just I'm asking for the formula to figure out whether the student has passed or failed. So if the scores of 10 is more than 200, we are passing it as passed, else we are returning fail. Then I'm click on generate formula. It is trying to generate the formula by using the description which we have given. This is the formula it is generated. Just copy this formula and you can use it into in our Excel sheet. So how nicely it is created. And other than this, we can also use this portal like explaining about the formula which we have. For example, we have one complicated Excel formula. So if you want to understand that formula, just give the formula here and click on explain. For example, let me take the same formula which we have generated earlier. Just I'm copying into it and paste it into this one, then click on explain. So it analyzes the formula which we have given and explain it to us. For example, the formula says that if the sum of cells A1 through A10 is greater than 200, it is returning passed, else it is returning fail. Like this, it is explaining about the formula which we have given. So this is the wonderful AI tool which is helpful in our Excel sheets. Other than that, we have some ChatGPT prompts, which is very helpful to generate any kind of formulas or to get any information. So just I've given these formulas like prompt 1, prompt 2. So just you can copy this prompt and paste it into the ChatGPT like this. So just I'm giving the prompt and it is giving the formula along with the examples it is giving. So you can try with the other 4 prompts also. This is very helpful. So this is the Medium account. I have given the text in here. So I will give the link in the video description. Please go through it and you can check it. Thank you.